We make it a fun time here. If we're making ice cream, there can't be that much stress, right? Because everybody loves ice cream. Everything in the creamery, because we are so small scale, is labor intensive. So when we make ice cream at the creamery, we make it from scratch. So we make our own base formulas, which is unique that we don't buy a pre-made mix from the grocery store. After pasteurization, it gets stored in the milk cans, goes to that walk-in cooler, and then we bring it out the next morning on a freezing day, which is today, and we add flavorings and colorings, and we start coating it through our soft serve machine. I started actually working in the ice cream business when I was just starting. I think I was 16. I worked at a local ice cream shop in my hometown and I loved it. Everyone brings up the eating of the ice cream. Everything else that happens, like all the cleaning we have to do because it's so hygienic and the food safety stuff, they don't care about that. They're like, you get to eat ice cream all day. The mission of the Creamery, first and foremost, is to educate students. We, of course, sell our ice cream to gain back some money from the costs of the supplies and paying these students, but we need to educate them and give them that hands-on learning experience. Getting to make it myself is much better than reading, even though I was fascinated learning about it in my classes. So we want to continue this operation so that we can expose more students to the dairy industry and just to this hands-on experiential learning opportunity.